So now we are going to discuss some important scheme of union governments. So first one is your Digital India program. The Digital India is an initiative by the government to ensure that government services are made available to citizens electronically or internet connectivity, and it was launched on 1st July 2015. Okay, it was launched on 1st July 2015. It was launched on 1st July 2015. Now, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana (PM) is very important. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana (PMJDY). So, PMJDY is a national mission for financial inclusion to ensure access to financial service like availability of basic saving account, then remittance credit, insurance, and pension to the excluded section. That means it is a national mission and for financial inclusion to ensure access to financial service like water service like availability of basic saving bank account মানে সকলোৰে আছে না নাই, remittance credit, then insurance and pensions to the excluded section, that is excluded section means weaker section and low income groups. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana (PMJDY). It was launched on 28 August 2014. It was launched on 20th August 2014 across the country, and it also features in the Guinness Book of World Record. Why? Guinness Book of World Record is very important. In exam, the question may come: which scheme was featured in the Guinness Book of World Record? So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was featured in the Guinness Book of World Record for opening 1,80,96,130 accounts by banks in a week. So by this scheme, 1,80,96,130 accounts opened. 1,80,96,130 accounts were opened by the scheme in a week. So this is a Guinness Book of World Record. And it was launched on 28 August 2014. The next one is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. So Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, the purpose is to provide funding to the non-corporate small business sector. And it was launched on 8 April 2015. So Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana was launched on 8 April 2015. The next one is Startup India, one of most important schemes, Startup India. And Startup India was launched on 16 January 2016. 16 January 2016 to promote startups and entrepreneurship ecosystem in the country. So it was launched on 16 January 2016. Then Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana. So Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, short form Saubhagya scheme. Very important for exam point of view. Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, that is the Saubhagya scheme. So this scheme was launched on 25th September 2017. This scheme was launched on 26th September 2017. And this scheme was for electrifying all the household in rural and urban areas. Electrifying all the household in the rural and urban areas which are still living without power. That means those who are living without power. So the motto was for electrifying all the household in rural and urban areas which are still without power, and government provided 16,320 crore. The government of India already provided 16,320 crore for this scheme. Now, next one is your Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This is very important, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 2nd October 2014. Now, it is a national campaign covering 4,041 cities and towns to clear the streets, road, infrastructure of the country. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is also known as Clean India Mission. So it was launched on 2nd October 2014. Then one of the important, most important, all of you have heard this name. This was Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Abhiyan. Beti Bachao, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Abhiyan. So it was launched on 22nd January 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji from Panipat, Haryana. Next one is your Unnat. Now see, these two are very important and we can relate these two schemes by some trick. Now see first one, Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all scheme, Ujjwala. LED means LED light, LED. So this is a national LED program. This is a national LED program and launched on 30 April 2016. The scheme is implemented by Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Now see, this was launched. Now see, it is very difficult to remember the date on which the schemes were launched. So for these two schemes, we can remember the date of launching by some trick. So what is the trick? Now it was launched on 30 April 2016. Now again come to Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. This is the PMUY, and Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana was launched on 1st May 2016. First, let me discuss what is the motto. The motto was to provide cooking gas connection to 5 crore below poverty line beneficiaries over the next 3 years, and it will benefit the poor, especially the women. Now come to the launching date. Now see, Unnat Jyoti by affordable LED. Now the short scheme for all, Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all scheme. Now the short form is your Ujjwala, and here Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Now see, Ujjwala and Ujjwala. Here the short form of this scheme is Ujjwala, and here again in this scheme the Ujjwala, one word is here Ujjwala. Now we can relate these two schemes by remembering this word Ujjwala and Ujjwala. So this is the trick. You can remember, you can relate by this name Ujjwala and Ujjwala. Now come to the launching date. It was launched on 30 April 2016. Now see, in Assamese Ujjwala, Ujjwala relate to light. Assamiyat Ujjwala relate to light. I mean Ujjwala মানে উজ্জ্বল, উজ্জ্বল আমি লাইটৰ লগত ৰিলেট কৰিব পাৰো, and light সদায় ফাৰ্ষ্টত আহে. That's why it was launched on 13 April 2016. Now see the date, year is same, 2016. So that means the year is same. Just you have to remember the date, the 30 April. Now since it is Ujjwala is present, so Ujjwala in Assamese, Ujjwala means Ujjwal. That means light always come first. That's why 30 April come before May. So the date 30 April comes before 1st May. That's why it was launched on 30 April 2016. And next Ujjwala, that means Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, and it was launched on 1st May 2016. Now that in this way you can remember the date. That means Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all scheme, Ujjwala. Ujjwala in Assamese means light, pohor, and light always come first compared to other. So that's why Ujjwala, the date of launching of Ujjwala will come first. That's why it is 30 April 2016. And next one is Ujjwala, and it was on 1st May 2016. The next one is your Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana. This is very important. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana. Now, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana. Now the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana, PMKSY, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana. That means the aims of the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana is to bringing concerned ministry and department engage in recycling water under a common platform so that a comprehensive and holistic view of water cycle is taken into account and proper water budgeting is done for all sectors, namely household, agriculture and industry. So basically, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchay Yojana, the aim is to bring all the ministry, concerned ministry and department, engage the ministry which are engaged in recycling the water under a common platform, so that the aim was to bring all the concerned ministry and department to a common platform, so that comprehensive and a holistic view of water cycle is taken into account and proper water budgeting is done for all the sector, namely household, agriculture and industry. Now see, next one is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, one of the very important scheme, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. So it was launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation and the aim is the provision of housing for all by 2022. This is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Okay, then next one is Amrut. What is the full form of Amrut? Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. So the full form of Amrut is Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. So Amrut scheme was launched on 25th June 2015 with the focus of the urban renewal project to establish infrastructure that could ensure adequate, robust sewerage network and water supply for urban transformation. Now, robust sewerage network means, robust means strong. Strong sewerage means drain system. So strong drainage network, drainage system. So the motto of Amrut scheme was to establish infrastructure that could ensure adequate, robust network, that is adequate, robust sewerage network. It means adequate, sufficient. So sufficient and strong drainage system and water supply for urban transformation. This is the motto of Amrut, and it was launched on 25th June 2015. The next one is the Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana, so APY, short form APY. So the Atal Pension Yojana was launched on 9th May 2015, which is intended to enhance old age income security of the working poor. Old age income, it was intended to enhance old age income security of the working poor, and it has become operational from 1st June 2015. That means it was launched on 9th May 2015, and it has become operational from 1st June 2015, and it is administered by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA. So Atal Pension Yojana is administered by Pension Fund Regulation and Development Authority. Now see here again, in this scheme, LED means light. So in that way also you can remember, LED means light. So light means ujjal. Light means light means what? Pohor is ujjal. That's why it will come first before the Ujjwala Yojana. And Ujjwala, UJJWL, Ujjwala Yojana, it was launched on 1st May 2016, and LED Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LED for All scheme, it was launched on 30 April 2016. So this will end our first part of important flagship scheme of union government. In the second part also we will discuss some other important scheme of union government. So thank you.